All right, hi, I'm Joy from Joy and Oils, and today we're going to be talking about the Desert Mist Diffuser. If you got your starter kit, one of the diffusers is the Desert Mist, and this is one of my favorites. But the first thing you're going to do, this is what it looks like when it comes out of the package. Once you get it out, you're going to, well, let's take it apart. This is the outer lid that doesn't have anything to do with anything except for that it is really pretty. And then this is the inner lid, all right? And then you're gonna take your little plug and plug it in and make sure it is nice and flush against the bottom. You don't want it to be weirdly put in so that it doesn't sit flat against the table. So just make sure it is nice and snug in there, okay? All right. The next thing you're gonna do is you're gonna fill the water well up to the line right here. You can see the line pretty clearly, especially in good light, okay? Fill that up. Right there. If you overfill it, it won't diffuse as well, or it could be that it will, it could overflow. I haven't had that issue, but we're gonna put in today, I am loving Dreamcatcher. This is very earthy to me. It's very calming to me. Obviously Dreamcatcher, this would be a great nighttime diffuser blend. And it kind of smells hippie-ish. So I'm gonna drop in probably about five of those. And then I'm also gonna do tangerine. I love the citrus smells. I'm gonna do about 5 of those. All right, and then I'm going to make sure that this lid is very important, that this lid is put on correctly. All right, so you see it's all lined up. The wrong way to do it would be for it to be tilted like that. So it's really important that you make sure that it is in the right place. And because if you don't, then it potentially, actually it will overflow. If you don't get it right, it's gonna overflow and you're gonna have water all over the table. All right, we're gonna put this lid back on and I'm gonna show you some of the buttons. Let's see. All right, so this button right here is going to be your on-off button. There's 3 settings. You're gonna push the first time you push it, it's going to be full out diffusing. The second time you push it, it will be less, it will last longer. And then the third is going to be intermittent. So it will diffuse for a little bit and then it will stop. And then it will diffuse for a little bit and then it will stop. Of course, each setting, the intermittent setting will last longer, like throughout the night. The second setting will last a little less time and the first setting is about 4 hours, I think. 4 strong hours, okay? And then one of my favorite things about it is this second button is the lighting. So you can choose all different kinds of lighting that you want. So this one, I guess the reason why I love the Desert Mist is the candle light setting. And it looks like a candle flicker. And then there's of course all of the other colors. Red, I think that's orange, yellow, green, and some purples and blues. And then you can have no light at all. So if you just go through all of the light settings and you don't want to light, say you're diffusing at night, then you're going to want to just keep going through until you get to this one. It's like, so now it still should be diffusing. I think it's on intermittent, but it will be diffusing there. So let's go all the way through. All right, so now you're diffusing with no light. So that's it for the Desert Mist Diffuser. If you have any questions, let me know.